In this video, you'll learn how to add a payment system using Emergent AI. This guide will take you through each step of the process to ensure you can successfully integrate a payment solution into your application. Begin by navigating to the Emergent website, open your preferred web browser, and enter the URL for Emergent AI-powered app development. Once the page loads, you should see a clean interface that highlights the capabilities of the platform. Next, locate the button or link that states where ideas become reality. This will typically be prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on this option to proceed further into the site. After that, find and select the link that reads "Build fully functional apps and websites through simple conversations." This action will direct you to the next stage of the application building process where you can start creating your app. Now click on the option labeled Full Stacks App. This will take you to a section dedicated to building comprehensive applications. You should see various tools and options available for development. At this point, type in the command create a add payment system into the provided input field. Make sure to enter this exactly as specified to ensure the system recognizes your request. Once you've entered the command, you will need to choose an AI that will assist you in the process. Look for an option that is clearly labeled Choose an AI and select it. Next, click on Claude 4.5 Sonnet. This specific AI is designed to help you with your payment system integration. After selecting it, you may notice a brief loading period as the system prepares to proceed. Following that, click on the Enter button to confirm your selection. This will initiate the process of setting up the payment system. Now, locate the link that states Setting Up Safe Environment. This is crucial for ensuring that all payment processes are secure. Click on this link to begin the setup. This stage usually takes around 1 to 2 minutes to complete. During this time, the system will work on establishing a secure environment for your application. After the initial setup, you will receive a message indicating Initializing Cloud Environment. This message confirms that the system is preparing the necessary cloud resources. Next, watch for the message that says Provisioning Resources. This indicates that the required resources for your payment system are being allocated and prepared for use. You will then see a message that reads Configuring Environment. This step is essential as it sets up all the configurations needed for your payment system to function properly. Once the configuration is complete, a message will appear stating Starting the agent. This confirms that the system is ready to begin the integration process. Now click on the Auto Answer option. This feature will allow the AI to automatically handle the tasks needed to build your payment system. The AI will then proceed to build the app you requested. This process might take between 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the complexity of the payment system. Finally, once the process is complete, click on Preview App to view the newly integrated payment system. This will allow you to see how the payment functionality has been incorporated into your application.